What's happening, guys? I'm Aidan from DK Tuning. Today's video is on this Polo GTI. Which, as you can see, has some pretty naff exhaust work. The owner's friend has done some exhaust work. Obviously, as we can see, Ryan has now got the exhaust up, but obviously it's not really connected. Not great. Also, it's missing a clamp up here, so the whole exhaust rotates, which is also not great. And he is eventually getting a rear R32 style diffuser. We're going to be pushing this up into the bumper and obviously cutting into this bit to make it look a bit better. So not great exhaust work by you, mate, but still. So yeah, we're going to pretty much fix this exhaust up, make it look a little bit better. So as we can see, the exhaust looks loads better on the Volkswagen Polo, and we're just going to have a quick talk with Ryan to see what he's been doing. So what have you been doing?
So when the car come in the other week for its initial consultation, we had to get everybody to have a look. It was a shed. If that there, people, that there is not any good for your exhaust systems, especially when you go from 3-inch to 2¼ inch. Come on, show. Going from that diameter there to that.
Yeah.
That will not do. Yeah, you need a proper reducer. So anyway, come in, it was resting on this brace. The customer said it didn't vibrate. I don't know how. If that exhaust resting on the brace, that was loose. As we come further back to the car, way back out, and keep going,
yeah.
keep going. As you will see, these chips came in. This one was a lot lower purely because the diffuser section was pushing it down. He's gone for an R32 style Polo GTI. Yeah. So remember, if you do see this car on the road, it's not a Polo GTI, it is an R32, people. It is an R32. So yeah, he's gone for that style. So we've just removed that. He says he's getting a brand new bumper. He wasn't too fussed about removing this for now. So we've just given him a cutaway, so when he goes down to London after he's finished up here, his new bumper should fit on and these tips will look pretty sweet. To keep it where it is, I've added another hanger just on this side in this spare footwell. I've welded to the spare footwell. I've painted it in white. Get him a new hanger just to support that exhaust system. Let's go over any speed bumps, potholes and whatnot. So that's pretty much it, really.
Okay, let's
solid fix.
yeah, so obviously, as you can see, the exhaust is now not able to move. Look, it's dead strong now, and it looks really nice at the back end. So let's let Ryan finish it off and then start it off. So as you can see and hear, guys, it sounds and looks loads better. Now we've done the DK Tuning Touch on it. So if you want the DK Tuning Touch on your exhaust system, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you in the next one.